Hey gamers, this is Uday Karthik from Shoes and Tricks. In this video, we are going to see how to add Firebase email and password authentication in Unity. If you do not subscribe to my channel until now, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start the video. First, we create a project named Firebase Auth. Now go to build settings and click on Android and click switch platform. This will take a while to complete. Now we need to generate a key store for our project. To generate key store, open project settings from edit. Now go to player settings and click publishing settings and click key store manager and click key store and select create. Store the key store somewhere else safe in your computer. Enter your password and alias name and password and click add key. Now click yes. Now we need to import a package for our Firebase authentication. To import, click Assets, Import Packages, Custom Packages and import External Dependency Manager. To download it, check the link in the description below and click Open to import. Now open Chrome and go to Firebase console. Click Add a project and enter your project name. And click Continue. And select the default account for Firebase and click Create Project. This will take a while to complete. Please wait until the project creates successfully. Now go back to Unity and click Add Selected Registries. This will take a while to complete and click Apply. Now click Close and we need to import the Firebase Auth package. Check the link in the description for Firebase packages. Import DoNet 4 package when you are using Unity version greater than 2019. Select Firebase Auth package and import. Now click Enable External Dependency Manager. Now we need to add our project with Firebase. So open the Firebase console and click Unity and add your package name which will be in the project settings, player, other settings. Now enter your app name and click Next. Now click on Settings and Project Settings. Scroll down to the bottom and click Add Fingerprint. To get fingerprint of your application, open CMD. enter key tool, list key store, enter your key store location which we created before, and enter your key store name with .key store extension. And now enter your key store password and copy your SHA-1 fingerprint and add it in Firebase and hit save. Now download the Google services.json and add it anywhere in your asset folder. Now we need to create an input field for email and password. Right click on Hierarchy UI and click Input Field. We need to duplicate the input field for password. Now we create a button and name it as sign up. Now we create a empty game object and rename it as Firebase Auth. Now add a script named Firebase Auth and open it in Visual Studio 2019. First we need to add Firebase components using firebase.auth. And using Unity Engine.ui for input field. Serialize field, input field, email. Serialize field, input field, password. Now create a public void function for sign up. Documentation for Firebase authentication. Check the link in the description below. Now we need to create a Firebase Auth instance. Firebase Auth. In start function, auth equal to Firebase auth.default instance. In signup function, auth.create user with email and password async. Add your email text and password text. task equal to if task is cancelled. Create user with email and password is cancelled. If task is faulted, create user with email and password encountered an error plus task dot expectation. Return function to stop the function when the error comes. Firebase user new user is equal to task dot result. Debug for whether the player is signed up successfully. Now save it and go back to Unity and add our script to our sign up button. And open Firebase console and go to Firebase authentication. And enable email and password authentication. Now back in Unity, add our email and password input field to our script. Now let's check it by running it. Boom, user is created successfully. Let's check it in Firebase console. It has a user that will sign up successfully in the Firebase console. Now let's sign in our user. Create a public void function sign in. In sign in function, auth.signin user with email and password. Enter your email text and password text. That continue with. Do the same thing which we done for creating user with the Firebase console. Firebase return user equal to task.result. Debug for whether the user is signed in successfully. Now save it and go back to Unity and create a button for sign in. and add our sign in function to our sign in button. Now let's check it whether it is working or not. Now we can sign in and sign up the user to our Firebase. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Fusion Tricks for more tutorial about Unity and hit the like button. If you like this video, smash the subscribe button and hit the notification icon and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video.